Luck is where an opportunity meets hard work. That's what these two gold diggers proved. Now, when I say gold diggers, I mean the literal kind. People who dig for gold for a living. Two gold nuggets worth around $350,000 have been discovered using metal detectors. Before you go to Amazon to buy a metal detector, know that this happened in Australia. These two huge nuggets were discovered by a pair of diggers in southern Australia, Brent Shannon and Ethan West. Using good old-fashioned metal detectors, they hit it big with two big nuggets. They have a combined weight of 3.5 kilograms and, or if you want to translate it to pounds, 7.7 pounds. West said that during 4 years of mining for gold, he has picked up probably thousands of pieces. This story was aired on the Discovery Channel. Discovery Channel said collectors could pay up to 30% more for the nuggets than the estimated value. A similar thing happened back in 2019. An Australian man unearthed 1.4 kilograms or 49 ounces of a gold nugget worth about $69,000 using a metal detector. Gold mining in Australia began in the 1850s and remains a significant industry in that country. The town of Tarnajula itself was founded during the Victoria Gold Rush. It became very wealthy for a period of time when keen prospectors moved there to make their fortune. Noble Gold Investments isn't a mining company, and we certainly can't provide advice on where to find gold that's underground. But if you want to get some gold a little bit easier, we can help you buy some gold. And they're all authentic. We have gold bars and gold coins that you can put directly into your IRA or potentially delivered all the way to your doorstep. And we also have rare coins. And if you're interested in those, check out our website. Go to noblegoldinvestments.com.